National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Woodford County in central Illinois, east central Tazewell County in central Illinois, northwestern McLean County in central Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mackinac, or 11 miles east of Pickens, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusty hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Goodfield and Deer Creek around 2:45 p.m. Secker around 2:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include El Paso. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 25 and 28. Interstate 39 between mile markers 8 and 22. Interstate 74 between mile markers 106 and 118. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Illinois.